Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Honda CRV EXL. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 139,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.